no doubt you want their Tom to take the ball. And there you see it. Puerto Rico come out so quick. Thompson Jr. blinks, but Italy comes right back. Lovely roll, but Melli gets his hands on it, and Puerto Rico won the tip ball, jump ball at the beginning. Beautiful pass, 3-point, lines up lefty, and Melli down low. And a 3-point shot, beautiful to Newt. And that was Melli's not giving up on the offensive glass. And the defensive end, they're out to run. To Newt, fakes, decides to not go up. Lovely ball movement. Thinks about it, takes the shot. Waters. Little 2-3 zone here, splits it, has the option, and he does, just misses the layup, but a defensive looks. Nice pass. Melli. Yes. Tecchio has played his first year in the NBA, so some really good talent by him. Beautiful pass. Melli takes his time. Lovely finish, like I said. Corner. Nice little ball movement. Lovely drive and finish, but a block at the rim. To then making it very difficult for Italy. Wheeler. Beautiful jump shot, and it just is a beautiful shot, just rims out, but they have numbers. 2-on-1 here. What does Puerto Rico do? Easy layup, left, little handoff of Thompson. They've got 4 seconds, up and under, and a beautiful finish. Italy sharing the ball. And is really in his bag. I really enjoy watching him play. Beautiful still on his own. Will take off. Dunks it home. Beautiful finish. Walters waits. 3-point shot looks good. Paola. Fontecchio. Lovely move on your head. And real good defense. Look how far they've pushed Puerto Rico out, and they get the steal. They're on the run. 1 against 2. Beautiful finish. Could have been a foul. Fence to move. They go inside. And good finish. Right hand layup. Yola moves the ball on. Oh, good hands. Here we go. Puerto Rico. They've got 2-on-1. Romeo finishes at the rim. Puerto Rico have come out different. Beautiful movement. 3-point shot, overshoots it, but Romeo over there. Beautiful finish. Puerto Rico gets the ball in. Up and under. Cheat moves the ball on. They've got the roll, but a wide open 3. Boy, he knocks it down. Here comes Puerto Rico. And a lovely baseline cut, but just throws it up and turns it over, and they're on to the other side and dunk it and give an answer back. Nice pick and roll. Good cut, easy bucket, easy to scorers, and I just feel like he's a bit passive. Nice back door, beautiful float. Oh, double dribble, doesn't call it. And good defense. Puerto Rico, incredible on that defensive end, but Melli just gets his hand in it. They've got numbers, and you know who's going to take off. To Newt. He's had one of those already this evening. And travels anyway from Fontecchio now. 1-on-1, beautiful Euro step, but a big block at this. Good timing, gets his hands onto it and blocks it out of bounds. But you fall asleep, Puerto Rico. Ortiz, patient. Beautiful spin, lovely finish. Melli asks for the ball. Good flare, lovely. This is beautiful Italian basketball. It's 3 seconds to Newt's, oh, excuse me, 6 seconds. Lovely. Finally! Asking for the foul, but they're not. Melly with the transition break. A little bit more aggressive. Goes back door, but a turnover. Melly easy to Newt, just mishandles. He's got numbers, goes back inside. Beautiful ball movement. Oh, lovely pass. Poise. Can't finish. Fontecchio goes inside to Melly. See, look, Melly directing, pointing. Gets a beautiful pass and finish and one. Polonara hands off to Newt. Quick jump shot. And 3-point guard will bring the ball up to Newt. Fontecchio, this is where he's great. I told you so. When his feet are set. They do. And he finishes that, but doesn't. Here comes Italy. Oh, was about to rock the rim. Break it apart. Good pass in the corner. Beautiful ball movement. Head fake. He's got options. Easy layup. Down low. Once again, another example of beautiful basketball. And on the defensive end, look, they're swarming everywhere. And a block shot. Italy. Asking something, nearly turns over the ball, keeps his feet. Take a shot in the corner. And they get it right on the buzzer. Italy, as they say, spazio, spazio. I'm guessing that's space. Good block into his jump shot. Beautiful basketball. And lovely still, he cocks it back. Rocks the rim. And leaves points on the board. Misses both free throws, and it gives Italy an advantage to come down and score. And Holland looks to pass off the ball. Beautiful dish pass, and finally they know it. Richie passes the ball out, and they line up a three, and they hit it. Will go in Italians' way. Nice cutting basket, rocks the rim. Really does a fantastic job with that layup. Well, dunk, should we say. Italy get a chance, really moving their offense, making Puerto Rico have to make some sort of, that's more like it. Italy get the 3-point shot, looks good, and bangs it right in. It is way too much for Puerto Rico. They have no answer at all. The 8-80, an absolute disaster as they turn over the ball again, and they share the ball. Lovely finish. And gets himself a rebound. Good ball movement. Just putting the X. Spaniolo. De Tome. Good little bounce pass. And the three goes up. 100 points on this game, potentially. And a rebound and one. De Tome. Could have been a foul, it's not. Referees decide not to call it. And a nice tap. The Italian team. It's been very, very good today, even though he struggled as Puerto Rico. And a nice little dump-off pass. Have nearly 100 points and just put a real exhibition in front of their home court it takes at this level. And I'm really excited for them as Puerto Rico. 2019 in China and lost in the quarterfinals. But the Italians are looking very, very good. The end of the game, didn't manage to make it to 100, but they look fantastic.